Omniflex manufacture a full range of industrial-grade power supplies with built-in battery management. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the Powerterm L120C dual power supply charger. The purpose of this unit is for providing an uninterruptible power supply for instrumentation equipment such as RTUs, data loggers and alarm systems, etc. As you can see, the unit comes with a dim rail mount housing with all the terminals on the front. What's different about this unit to the other power supplies in the range is it can power 12 volt DC and 24 volt DC equipment at the same time with true split battery charge equalization. Screw clamp terminals on the front all have a protective cover. At the top right you have the 24 volts DC load, 24 volt DC battery, 12 volt DC load and two 12 volt DC battery terminals. On the bottom right hand side you have your 85 to 264 volts AC power supply terminals. On the left hand side you've got the AC detect output terminals, and this contact will open if there is a loss of AC supply or if the unit is unable to charge the batteries. You have a temperature compensation terminal, and you also have a test terminal which is used to test the health of the batteries. On the top right hand side of the unit you've got a green LED for AC supply present and a red LED for DC supply present. The AC supply LED will distinguish if there's a loss of AC supply, and likewise the red DC supply LED will also distinguish if there's a loss of DC supply. Okay, so here we have a demonstration of the system in operation. Okay, so on the left we've got a 12 volt DC powered RTU. In the middle we've got a 24 volt DC powered alarm annunciator, and we have AC and DC supplies connected to the power supply charger. You can see the batteries there on the right hand side. I'm now going to remove the AC power supply, and you'll see that the green LED for the AC supply will go off. Both the 12 volt and the 24 volt DC devices are still being powered uninterruptibly. The power is now coming from the two 12 volts DC sealed lead acid batteries. Here's an overview of the key features.